time I caught a bunch of kids up here, I let them go. And guess what? They busted in the joint, stole a bunch of stuff.
What? Oh, we don't do that.
Please, just go away.
Okay. So we have one more try in.
No more tries. Just get the hell out of here.
I gotta do it though. This is for a major video.
Call 911. Okay.
Here you go. My name's Ben. Sorry, go get it. Zoom in and stuff. Zoom in and stuff. Are you?
I got him. I was just like videotaping the whole thing.